Hello, my name is Myke Sanders, and I'll be going over the business information inside the Simply Be Found platform. So as you can see, here's business information. Here's where we go. And this is where all of your profile information is going to live. The reason this is important is this is what is going to be displayed to customers when they search for you online. If this information isn't accurate, customers can't find you. They'll get the wrong information. They'll get angry. They're not going to want to use you. So this is what you need to see. Now you'll see we have the logo, name, your profile description, address, phone number, website, social media links. These are the things that will be displayed out. Now you can easily update these. Click here, make whatever change, save changes, and that's it. Now your review profile links, this is for our review monitoring. If there are sites you want us to be scraping for, you put them in here. We go pull the reviews and they'll appear in the review section. This is business fields. You have attributes down here. This are special attributes related to your business. Are appointments required? How do you identify? LGBTQ friendly, mass required, all that kind of stuff. Now your category codes are important, and you can have up to 10. Google has the most business categories, which is up to 10. Everybody else has just one. So your first one is the most important, and this should be as accurately describing your business as humanly possible. Numbers 2, 3, and 4 are things that are kind of related, but aren't your primary business. The rest of them are things sort of related. To use an example, say you're a landscaper. It's like, okay, I am a landscape designer. Well, I'm also an architect. I'm also just a landscaper. I'm also do lighting design, but I might also be an arborist and tree surgeon. So you pick which one is your primary and then kind of sort all those choices as 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way down to 10. If you can fill all 10, that is fantastic. If you can't, try to hit 4. After 4, it's good, but it's not nearly as important. It's diminishing returns. Number 1 is the most. 2, 3, and 4 are also really powerful. Everyone after that, it's a little more powerful. So you want to have as many, but the first 4 is the most important. And that's all you need to know about your business information. Thank you and have a good day.